Welcome to Canine Rehabilitation and Integrative Veterinary Center. I'm Dr. Christin Finn. We're located here in Kingston, Washington. We have an integrative practice, and that means we practice Eastern and Western medicine along with rehabilitation. This gives us the most complete set of tools for solving your dog's mobility issues and pain. And this is all done without side effects. We look at your dog's whole history and whole life as one complete picture, and this allows us to treat from many directions, tailoring a plan that's going to give your dog the best success. Our practice is a no-stress environment, so we're going to take whatever time is necessary for you and your dog to be comfortable. Our motto is, we're in the long game. So whatever it takes to solve your dog's pain and mobility issues, we're gonna see it through so that they get there to their ideal life. Our first appointment is a longer appointment. I'm gonna do a complete physical exam, a structural exam. I'm gonna watch your dog move. I'm going to do a gait analysis and a biomechanical analysis. As well, we'll do a Chinese medicine exam. We'll take all of this information and make a plan individualized for your dog so that your best friend has their best life.
He was moving normally, he was playing again, and he lived another 18 months of really good quality life. Dr. Finn's treatment was really a significant part of that.
And I just saw the care and the love that they give to each dog is so important to Dr. Finn. And the outcome is phenomenal.
I highly recommend it. It's an amazing thing that I didn't even know existed. And we're very lucky to have her here in Kitsap County.
We're here to help your dog move better, feel better, and live longer. Come see us. We would love to help your furry friend feel their best.